Now we have to see peripheral nervous system, that is PNS. It includes nerves which are divided into two types, cranial nerves and spinal nerves. Number one is cranial, number two is spinal. Cranial nerves are which are coming out from the brain. These nerves emerge from the brain and supply to different parts of the head. And there are 12 pairs. Number you have to learn. Actually, sometimes they come for difference between these two. So that time these emerge from brain, supply to different parts of head, and 12 pairs. Spinal nerves, these nerves emerge from the spinal cord, supply to different parts of the body, and these are 31 pair also. Three difference you can write: brain, spinal cord. These are cranial nerves which are coming out from the brain, and these are spinal nerves which are coming out from spinal cord. Then is third part of nervous system, that is autonomic nervous system. It consists of ganglia, that is mass of nervous tissue, and nerve fibers which innervate various organs and glands of the body. Ganglia is mass of nervous tissue made up of nerve cells, of course. It controls the involuntary actions of internal organs of the body, and there are two parts of an ANS, that is sympathetic system and parasympathetic system. They have opposing action. What? How? See, if organ we see, ठीक है, heart. So the sympathetic nervous system is having stimulatory effect on it, means it increases heartbeat, while parasympathetic will bring it back to normal by slowing it, inhibitory effect. Arteries, it raises blood pressure by constricting arteries, narrow, they become narrow. It lowers blood pressure by dilating arteries, arteries are dilated. So these two work in opposite way. Digestive tract, slows movement, decreases activity, that is stimulatory effect. Okay, slows movement of food inside, and it speeds up movement, increases activity. Sweat glands, increased secretion of sweat occurs, sweating occurs, and it decreases secretion of sweat. Muscles of iris, it dilates pupil and it constricts pupil. Pupil is, remember, that is a hole in the eye which allows certain amount of light to enter inside eye. That is pupil, made by folds of iris this way. So this is pupil, these are folds of iris, and they will increase or decrease to allow amount of light entering the eye, how much it is. Differences they have given between the sympathetic and parasympathetic nervous system, that you have to learn. Okay, now stimulus response. Stimulus is something in the outside world that may cause an organism to respond or change its action. Two types of stimuli are there, external and internal. Now mechanism of response coordination, that we will continue.